Good day mga karelo. So today we have another watch review here. This is a watch Taguer. So this watch is a Hughes. As you notice, they have all backs here, but this is a complete set watch. So you can see here, classic Taguer. So let's open the box here. So the box is good. Taguer Classic, double box. Okay, even though this watch is classic, but the box and double box is presentable. Warranty international card. Okay, a good man watch relationship. Okay, so this is a written for Chinese character letter. Let's see what inside the box. Okay, this Taguer Classic instruction manual. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's open the box to see what inside of what kind of watch is that. As you can see guys, this box, they have a Taguer on the zipper here. The box is old but presentable. This leather, synthetic leather. Okay, let's open it. Very hard to open because this watch is vintage. Okay, no logo here of Taguer, but what is good. So this watch is Taguer Professional. Okay, they have a safety on the lock. They have a double lock here. First lock was here, as you notice. First lock and then second lock, so safe. Most commonly on the divers watch is they have a double lock. This Taguer Professional 300 meters, 200 meters, correction guys. So as you can see here, this is a sapphire crystal glass, water resist of 200 meters, tested, stainless steel, Swiss made. So most commonly on the divers watch, they have a rotating bezel, unidirectional. So good on Taguer, very smooth to rotate the bezel because they have a assist to, you can put your finger here to easily to turn. Okay, this watch is for lady watch. I think 28, 29 mm. They have a diver's extension here. So if you go to swimming, you can use it. Let's see if they have a screw down lock. Okay, they have screw down lock. Okay, one click, one pull to set the date, so maybe clockwise, clockwise, as you can see. Clockwise, and then let's set a second full to set the time. As you notice, the second hand stop. Okay, setting the time here, rotating, set the time, check, wait for the date turn to from 22 to 23. Let's see if this watch is change. Okay, so change around 12:01. It's good. You can see this watch. Maybe some other watch collector said the R hand here is looks like a Rolex. As you can see here. Okay, the camera was focused on the watch. Okay, looks like a Rolex, the hand. If you're a fan of the Rolex watch, maybe you can notice this hand is look like. Okay, and then they have a loom on the second hand here. Let's screw in again. You can pull. Okay, and lock. They have a Taguer logo on the crown, as you can see. Taguer logo on the crown. They have a smooth the bracelet. Let's try. My wrist size is around 7 inch, so we can see here. So yeah, this one is for a lady because very small on my wrist size. So let's check if the bracelet is stainless. Check here. Other side. Stainless steel Taguer. This watch is good. When you hear the rotating bezel, I can put here. Smooth clicking. You can see here. Okay, reset again. So let's check the watch. As you notice, this brand is good because the viewer is a good reputation watch manufacturer. So I hope you like for the review of this watch. Please like and share our video for more watch review. So please subscribe for our channel from more review of the coming watch. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy for watching this video. Thank you, and then bye bye.